Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so usually in the morning I like to have some type of fruit. Today I'm gonna have some. So yeah, that's what I usually have. I usually have a lot of water. I drink a lot of water and some sort of tea, either green tea or ginger tea or any type of, herbal tea in the morning. But usually those two are my favorites, so either ginger or green tea. And I also love the green tea with the, I think it's roasted brown rice. It's so nice. Honestly, it's really nice. So I'm having the plums and also cotton candy grapes. So guys, go out and get yourself some cotton candy grapes because they honestly taste like fairy floss. No kidding. Honestly, they are so delicious. So I'm having those with the plums in the morning. So what I'm preparing here is I've cut up some romaine lettuce, some kus lettuce, some fennel that I had, some yellow capsicum and red capsicum, and what I've put on is some pomegranate molasses. Now, if you haven't got this, guys, honestly, you're missing out. So what I do is I just put some pomegranate molasses over my salad, and if you're going to work or whatever later on in the day, I just squeeze some lime juice or lemon juice, and you can put any type of protein or you can have it like that. I usually put some a can of tuna on top, and that's my lunch. Hey guys, I'm just going for my evening walk. It's a bit windy tonight, but it's still nice, but not as hot as it has been the past few weeks or the past few days, so which is good. It's nice and cool, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Ciao. Hey guys, I'm back from my walk. I did a bit of a jog and a power walk, and so yeah, and I'm back. It was a really good walk. It was a bit windy, but still a beautiful night. Hey guys, I'm just having my coconut water. It's a post-workout. I love having it after my workouts. I just washed some celery. If they're not organic, I wash them with apple cider vinegar. I just soak them for a few minutes and then I rinse them out. I just had some for a snack with, with peanut butter. Delish. Good morning, guys. I'm just doing some editing now. I'm just having my cleanse